This is where the beginning of my Handmaids of the Lord gonna tries me to connect, for which I am holding this present moment. And then when I am this picture already finished my title to be Handmaids of the Lord, but how been through my deep end of life I experienced the journey, how the people are. And as we are trying to connect it as only titled being this kind of my brother and my sister with the name under of my mother Magdalena Anod, we do even influence our own instead of others. And thus checking the society all around using their own skills to create meaningful through artistic way, which painted on the walls, which I do not know how they ungun. And this, to summarize, being not a part of the Handmaids of the Lord anymore, I got a keychain of a gray one, and I don't know it's something there.